Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel. Press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Simple sketch video kit review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll be talking about this simple offer called simple sketch video kit review. So right now we are on a sales page. It says here, turn your plain images and text into animated sketch videos fast and easy. You can see this video. It says this video was created 100% with animations and templates from this package only. You will get access to the same video template that you can edit with your own. And introducing simple sketch video kit, quickly and easily turn plain images into animated sketch. So let me show you how this works. You can see here, these are the samples, okay, and this is it. So this is your plain image, and this is the line art, and this is the sketch. Okay, so you will be getting these templates. There's nothing much to talk about. You might see the sales page below my YouTube video. So if you see the link here which says grab simple sketch video kit copy, then click on that link and then you will come to this page and then check out all these details here. And let me talk about what you will be getting. So this is what you get: MP4 videos and video tutorials done for you, templates, try risk-free for 30 days. They have 30 days money back guarantee, and it's better only to buy this if you want this, otherwise do not buy. So option 1 is commercial license, and then option 2 is PLR license. So commercial license will give you this is what you can do, this is what you cannot do. PLR license is mostly this is all you can do here, and what you cannot do is you cannot give it for free. Okay, so go and check out these features. And the simple pricing is, I guess, $19. Yes, the front end will cost you $19. Then you will have some upgrades. So when you buy the front end, then you will be taken through all these relevant sales pages on these PLR packages. You can check all the upgrades and then buy whatever you need and then skip which you don't. And that's all. So if you are into video marketing, let's say, or you are maybe working for your clients, you are a freelancer, you have to create videos every now and then, maybe marketing videos, educational videos, presentations, whiteboard videos, explainer videos. Okay, so if you make those kind of videos and you need some templates, then you can go and try this simple sketch video kit. You may or you may not find the link below my video depending on if my links are approved or not. Now coming back to the video marketing here again, how do you make money with videos? There are only limited options. Either you come and make YouTube videos, or you become a freelancer and you do some video editing for your clients. Okay, so if you're a freelancer, then you can go and grab these templates. If you are here to make money online, then probably you don't need this, because you can make videos like me, make simple videos like me, that record your laptop screen, talk in the background like me here right now, and upload the video on YouTube, and YouTube will pay you if your YouTube channel is monetized. Okay, so right now when you're watching my video, in this video there's nothing much to say, but you must have seen some advertisements in my video, and those ads make me money. So the moment people see those ads, my money is made, whether I sell you something or not, whether you buy something from me or not. Okay, so if you want to make money with videos on YouTube, then you can check out the first link below my YouTube video. It says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Once you click on this link, you will find 2 methods on the next page. One will be email marketing, how to make money with email marketing, plus this Traffic Jarvis is all about teaching you how to make money on YouTube. Okay, so this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, and then get your YouTube channel monetized fast within 30 days maximum. And after that, your job is pretty simple. Come on YouTube, make videos, upload them. People will be watching those videos, and you will be making money just like that without selling anything. Okay, so just check out these links. Okay, in the end, I would say just go and check out everything here and buy this if you want to. Otherwise, go and check out the first link below my video, and this will help you to make money first of your life on YouTube, plus with email marketing. And subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and yeah, support and contribute if you want to. And I'll see you in my next video shortly. Before that, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay. All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay. And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here. And thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.